So who will read the problem statement? So today we will see three-stage problem for projection of solids. Okay. So this problem number 3. Can anybody read? Rushikesh, roll number 14. Will you read, Rushikesh?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
An equilateral triangular prism of base 40 mm and 65 mm height is resting on HP on one of its corner. The slant edge passing through resting corner is inclined at 40 degree to HP and base edge in front of resting corner is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw its projection.
very good. Thank you. So first we have to see in types of what in the projection of solid, which solid is given. So if you read the problem statement, so which type of solid is given?
Equilateral triangular prism.
Prism is given. Okay, so as we know the difference between prism and pyramid well. Okay, so it is a prism. Okay, so equilateral triangular prism. What are its side? Triangular prism is given, and what are its side? Base side is how much?
40 mm.
40 mm.
And what is its height?
65 mm.
65. Okay. So next question, where it is lying? Is it on HP or is it on VP?
On HP.
On HP means one of the view will be its true shape, or we can say true shape. Equilateral triangle as a true shape. Whether that will be front view or top view,
Top view.
above XY line or below XY line?
Below XY line.
Below XY line. Okay. How it is resting on HP? Is it on one of the side or is it on corner?
It's corner.
It is on corner. As it is placed on the corner in projection of solid, where we have to draw that corner?
Towards left, right hand side.
Towards
Right hand side.
towards right hand side. Okay, so up to this, shall we start to draw?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how to complete here? So first I will draw one vertical line of 40 mm. Okay, then I have to complete here equilateral triangle of 40 mm. How I can complete this? Equilateral triangle. Take distance in
40
compass equal
mm
to how much?
distance and mark.
We have to take 40 mm distance in compass and then
Mark.
mark 40. So in compass I have taken 40 mm distance. Okay. Then I can join this. So this will be my what? This will be what?
True shape.
True shape of, we can say, equilateral triangle. So all its sides should be how much?
40
40. Again, if you want, again that will be again 40. Likewise. Okay. So while giving names to its corner, how many names we have to give? How many names we have to give?
2.
Which are they? First type I will give one, A1, A and 1.
B2.
A1, B2, C3.
Likewise, very good. So here there will be B comma 2. Here there will be C comma 3. Likewise. Okay. Okay, so is it necessary to join this corner with its center? Is it necessary?
No.
No. Why? Why we should not join its corner with its center?
Because it
Because
is a
it is
prism.
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 Because it is prism, it is not pyramid. In case of pyramid, we have to join its corner with its center. Okay. Afterwards, what
Projection
we have
line.
to do now? Projection line. How will
Vertically upward.
be projection?
After that.
How much axis length is given for the prism?
65.
So from here we can draw a 65 mm line. From here also 65 mm, and then we can join this. So here you can mention its height. Okay. So how much height we have taken from the XY line?
65.
65. Okay. Then names, we have to give name. So which will be the name? So here
A1
will be
dash.
point
1 dash.
one dash, not A1. Only one dash will be there. Here there will be which 2 point will be there? 2 and 3. Dash, comma,
3 dash.
3
3
dash.
dash.
Okay. For the base also, we have to give name. Which will be the name?
A dash. B dash. C
A
dash.
dash, B dash and C dash.
Here there will be A dash. Here there will be
B dash and C
C
dash.
dash. C dash.
B dash and C dash. Okay, so these names also we have to give here. Okay, likewise. Up to this, any problem?
No, sir.
Now, so will you tell on which corner this prism is resting?
A.
Corner A, because we have drawn it towards right hand side, and right now it is resting on its base because base is touching to the reference line XY. Base is touching to the reference line. That's why right now it is resting on base. But once we are going to give inclination, once we are going to give inclination, we are going to give the inclination. So right now we have drawn it as resting on corner A, resting on corner A. Okay. Up to this completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next now, we have to give inclination. Now we have to give inclination. How we have to give inclination now? For which edge? Now I will ask you a question. For this triangular prism, how many edges will be there? Or how many edges are there? Not will be. How many edges are there? Sharp edges we can see. How many are there?
6.
9.
9.
9 edges.
How many edges are there?
9.
9. Top surface 3, bottom surface 3, and
Bottom.
which are the remaining? Vertical 3. Correct.
Yes.
Vertical 3. Now, which edge is passing through the resting corner? Which is passing through the resting corner?
AB, AC, A1.
A1. Okay. That 3 edges are passing. It is correct now. Actually, here that slant edge word should not be there. A slant means inclined. Vertical edge. Likewise, word should be there. Right? Vertical. Not slant. Slant means inclined. Inclined edge is not there for this. So this vertical. The vertical edge passing through resting corner. Which is the vertical edge which is passing through resting corner? A,
A1.
or A, we can say A dash 1 dash. Vertical. A dash 1 dash. For that edge, we have to give inclination. With whom we have to give inclination? With whom we have to give
With
inclination?
HP.
With
HP.
HP. How much inclination we have to give?
40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degree. So what we have to do in next step? So here one random point we have to select. We have to draw one line. Correct. We have to draw one line making how much angle?
40
40
degree.
degree.
In this way, or we can say maybe something 40. Likewise, one line we have to draw in this way. So which point it should come on this line?
A dash 1 dash.
A dash 1 dash. That point, or we can say that edge, it should come on this line. Okay, so first we will give, we will retain the corner A dash on the line. Okay. Now we will mark the point A dash 1 dash, then B dash C dash likewise. Correct. So first I will located A dash on that point, means this corner will remain on the XY line. Now I have to locate 1 dash. How I am going to locate 1 dash?
65 mm distance.
65, because we know the height of this. So we can draw 65, or we can take distance equal to 65 in compass, and we can draw line. Okay, so here there will be one point will come. Okay, so that point will be our 1 dash. Very simple. Now remaining point we have to mark point B dash C dash and 2 dash 3 dash. How we can mark? Who will tell how we can mark that point?
Perpendicular line. And then mark.
To whom we have to mark perpendicular? The faint line which will be the perpendicular to whom?
A dash and 1 dash.
A dash and 1 dash. Whatever line we have drawn, we have to draw perpendicular line. Means how? From here to here, I will draw pencil line, and then I will rotate 90 degrees. So in this way. So this will be my one of the line. Okay, so similarly you can draw exactly perpendicular line from these 2 points. You can mark on that. This line I have drawn as a faint line. Faint line. Then you can take distance equal to whatever that distance, we don't know how much it is. So that distance you can take into compass and you can mark. What is that distance? A dash to B dash, or maybe one dash
Thirty-five.
dash to 2 dash. How much it is?
34.
35.
34.
35. 35 is the exact, no issue. 35 is height of that equilateral triangle. 35. 34, 36 also correct. 1 mm we can understand. So exactly it is 35. So take distance equal to in compass and mark it. Will you mark? Or I will draw instead of likewise. I can't mark arc, that's why I have drawn circle. So you can join now this from A dash to this to this, and likewise. I will remove this in this way. So what we have did right now, we have satisfied the condition. We have satisfied the condition. The slant, not slant edge, the vertical edge passing from the resting corner is making how much angle with the HP?
40 degrees.
480 degree. How much its base will make angle? How much its base will make angle? Base.
50 degree.
50.
Whether your angle is coming 50 degree, will you check?
Yes, sir.
This angle I'm saying. How much it should come? Is it coming 50?
50.
Your angle, you
50.
can
Yes, sir.
check yourself. Sometimes instead of this, it may be told in the problem statement, base is making this much angle with the HP. It is inclined such a way that its base is making this much angle, 50 degree. On the other hand, we can say its base is making 50 degree. Okay, likewise also you can understand. So look at the point. Look at the point. So B dash, C dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay. After this, just we have rotated the view. Nothing else we have did. Now what to do?
Projection line.
Line.
Projection lines we have to draw now. How many projection lines will come?
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 projection lines will come. So draw projection line. How will be projection line? Vertically?
Downward.
Downward.
Vertically downward. Draw it. In this way. From all the points, we have to draw projection line. Vertically downward again. For your information, how it will be. Okay. Again, from the earlier top view, first stage top view, how will be the projection line?
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
How
Towards
many it
right.
will come?
3.
3 will come. Okay. So our task is to now locate the point. We have to locate the point now. Shall we locate the point? Whether projection lines are drawn.
Yes, sir.
So let us locate first base ABC. So A point, where will be the A point? Intersection of A dash vertical line, vertical downward and horizontal right. So whatever point will come, intersection of both, it will be point A, then point B, and point C. So likewise, lines will come. So here there will be point B, here there will be point C. A, B, C. Okay. Next, have you located point A, B, C? Intersection.
Yes, sir.
Carefully you have
Yes,
to
sir.
say. Next one is 1, 2, 3. Top side. 1, then point 2. Very simple again. Here there will be 3. 2. There will be 3. Means we have joined. Sorry. I have.
पुढच्या लाईन
Very good. It will be here. Here, no? Have you located?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What to do now?
Join points.
Join
We have to join points. We have to join points or join the edges. Before that, one care we have to take. So what is that? We have to see now which lines will be dark and which will be dotted. That is most important part. So for this view, now we are going to complete the top view in second stage. For that purpose, what we have to see? Observer is observing from where? I will say. Observing from where?
From
From top.
top.
From the top side. Okay. So this view. we are going to see this. Observer is going to observe the object from the top. So one yellow colored arrow I have drawn. One yellow colored arrow I have drawn here. Okay. So from which point we are drawing the dotted line?
A.
No. Technically, not A. Technically, which point we are expecting to draw the dotted line?
Which is invisible.
No, not invisible. Observer is here at the yellow
ऑब्झर्वर
colored
ती लाईन
arrow.
दिसत नाही का? ती लाईन म्हणजे एसी वाली एसी ची
But technically, what is rule to draw? What I have told to draw. From which point we have to draw dotted line? दोन rules सांगितले होते. Two rules I have told. The point you have to select which is
Away
most
from the
away
observer.
point from the observer. Most away from the
Most
observer.
away from the observer.
Which is the point which is away from observer is observing from the top side. So most away point from the observer, which is that
सी
A.
A dash.
A dash point. Means how many edges are passing through point A dash?
3.
Which are
A
they?
B A B
A,
C
B,
A
A, C, and A1.
Okay, that edges will be dark
dotted.
or dotted?
Dotted. Dotted.
Dotted. So that we have to draw dotted. This to this. This to this. So if all edges should be
Dotted.
dotted. So in this way. So these three edges will be dotted. Okay. Are you observing? I have drawn dotted line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remaining what we have to do? Remaining all edges we have to join directly. So A, B, C. So this will be A, B, C. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. This will be top and vertical edges. 2 to B. Then A to 1 already we have joined and C to 3. Likewise, it will observe its top view. Top view will be something like this. Top view will be something like this. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Is it coming like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood how the dotted and dark lines are coming? So it will be like this. Okay. There is a mistake. This is two-stage problem. Inclination of edge passing through the resting corner it was given. Further, still one more inclination is given. What was that? Will you read the problem?
45 degree.
Base
Okay,
edge
45.
in front of resting corner.
Now see the top view of first stage, true shape equilateral triangle, where we have drawn equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, what it is called? The base edge in front of resting corner. So now tell me which is the base edge which is in front of resting corner A.
BC.
AC.
BC. BC is a base edge which is in front of resting corner. Its inclination is given. With whom it is given?
With VP.
With VP. How much it is given?
45.
45.
45 degree means whatever top view right now we have drawn. Whatever top view right now we have drawn, we have to rotate top such that it will make 45-degree angle with VP. Correct. At this stage, you have to see whatever length you are observing in first stage and second stage. Is it true length or is it apparent length?
True length.
True length.
You can measure with the help of your compass. The length of AB in top view of first stage and top view of second stage, not AB, BC. You can check it. Is it remaining same or is it constant? If it is remaining same, no issue. Directly you can take 45-degree inclination. If not, you have to find beta. Is it remaining same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means here I will show. In first stage it is 40. Okay. So here also it is 40 only. Here also it is 40 only. Are you getting? It is 40 only. Just now I have shown. Still it is 40 means it is remaining same. Okay. Now we have to make this inclination as 40. Sorry, 45 with 50. So what we have to do now, whatever top view we have drawn right now, we have to rotate it. We have to just rotate it so that this point line BC will make angle 45. So here we should not think. We should not think how much angle. So here there are two options. Either you can draw line in this way, making angle of 45, or in this way. Both will be correct. Either in this way, first, or in second this way. So what will happen if I will select this second angle, this, if I will select this line? So probability is that your top surface 1, 2, 3, it may go away or above the XY line. So that's why it is better to draw line in this way, 45. Are you getting? Both are correct. Our condition is that line BC, edge BC should make 45 angle. That's all. So both will be correct in that way. So here I will draw one line which will make, suppose, sorry, so let us, we will see whether both lines are making 45 angle or not. So this line 45 and this line is 45. So like this, both lines are making 45 angle. Okay, both lines are making 45 angles. So I will zoom little. So both lines are making 45 angles. So which we will select? Both are correct. If you select second one, if you select first one, both are correct. But if you select rightmost right hand side 45 degree line 45, what will happen? What will happen? Your top surface 1, 2, 3, it may go above XY line. That's why we have to select first one. It's better to select first one. If you'll select second, this right hand side 45 degree line, if at all your top surface 1, 2, 3 will remain below XY line, it is okay, but it will take more space, we can say more space to draw it. So that's why we will select this first one. Are you getting? समजतं का काय करणार आहे मी इथं? What I am going to do? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why I am going to select left side 45 degree line? Are you getting? Why I am going to select left hand side 45 degree line? Because it
Yes,
is
sir.
convenient. It is convenient. Okay. One more thing. Now, when we are going to give a second inclination, we should not think of dark and dotted line. Most important. We should not think whatever lines we have drawn in second stage. Same dark and dotted line we have to draw. Only we have to think of inclination, nothing else. Here, only we have to think of inclination, nothing else. Are you getting? So shall I locate here? Shall I locate? which point I have to, or which line I have to locate on this first?
BC.
A little time consuming again. First I have to locate BC. So I will locate here. So first I will locate point B somewhere. Maybe suppose at a distance of one random point I will select here. One random point I will select here somewhere. Then what is the length of BC? 40. So from here, so one line I have drawn, which is equal BC. I will give name to that as a BC, point BC. So for this, I will give name as a BC. So, BC line I have located on the 45-degree. Okay. What is the length of BC? Side BC?
40.
40
40.
So it is 40. Just we are giving inclination, nothing else. Same view we are going to locate here. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to locate point A. Who will tell how I have to locate point A?
40
You can-
mm distance from B and C and mark.
No. Which 40 mm distance? Point A I have to locate now here. Whatever it is there in the second stage top view, it will not be 40. Yeah? It will be less than 40. Or is it 40? Definitely it
sir.
will be less than 40.
Less than 40.
It will be,
29.
it should be. It should be
30, sir.
again.
30.
30, sir.
30 sir.
30.
30. Yes, it is 30. So take distance in the compass 30. Mark it. Take distance into the compass and mark and locate point A. So it will be something like this. It will be 30. So this will be your point. So likewise, two arc you can draw. Two arc and you can join finally. But how it is? B to A and C to A. How is that line? Is it dotted or dark? It is dotted. It is dotted or what?
Dotted.
Dotted. So it should be dotted again. Same. We should not think which is dotted, which is dark. We should not think at all. Just we have to draw as it is. Only rotation. Next now. Next. Again we have to locate point 2, 3, and 1. This also we have to locate. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I will say 1, 2, 3 point we have to locate. How we are going to locate? Who will tell? I have to locate point 1, 2, 3. How I am going to locate?
From B and C, take distance.
From,
B and C.
but how we have to draw line from B and C? We have to draw line, no? How it will be perpendicular to 45 degree?
Perpendicular.
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 Perpendicular to 45 degree. You can draw one line. So see how I am drawing up first. So in this way, from 3 point, you can draw line perpendicular. So from B, from C, and from A. Likewise, you can draw line. Perpendicular line. To which line it should be perpendicular?
B and C.
45.
45 degree line, BC we can say. 45 degree line, BC. It should be perpendicular. Okay. What is distance? B to 2? Linear distance. How much it is? Can anybody tell?
50.
49.
Okay, 50. 50. Or 49. Okay, 1 mm we can understand. So here there will be point 2. Point 2. And here there will be this point 3. Point 3. Okay, 1 point I have to locate. Point number 1. What is length A to 1? You take in compass, not necessary to measure. You can take in compass, but for my purpose, I am asking, what is this age? A to 1?
49.
14 and 50. My case is coming 50. Okay. Earlier was also 50, no?
Yes, sir.
It is same. As it is a height, no issue, it will come same. So again, you can give name to that. Okay. Here we should, while giving second inclination, here we should not think. Now remaining side directly we have to join by dark. Only we are in this way. We have to join. So only rotation, nothing else. Only rotation we have to give, nothing else. Or I will remove this so that he will come to know that how it is. It will be something like this. So this completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, ah, up to this completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we have did in this stage? Third stage. What we have did in third stage? First. What we have did in this third stage top view?
Rotated.
Rotation.
We have given rotation. Why we have given rotation? Because it is given in problem statement. Okay. With whom we have given rotation or inclination?
VP.
VP.
With VP. Whose inclination we have given?
BC.
BC, side BC, which is in front of resting corner. Which is in front of resting corner. Okay. Are you getting this? Now we have to complete now front view, last stage or last step we can say. So we have to draw now up to this completed, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Now in last
Yes,
stage,
sir.
Yes, sir.
we have to
Yes.
draw. Now we have to draw projection line. How will be the projection line now?
Vertically upward.
Vertically upward. Very good. So let me know how many projection lines from each and every point, top and base. We have to draw projection line. How many are coming? Let me know. Whether you were
6, sir.
6, 6 different projection lines are coming.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Or 1 and 2 is overlapping somewhere. Huh? Projection line of 1 and 2, is it overlapping
No, sir.
No, sir.
or it is coming very near to each other?
Yes, sir.
Very
Near to
near
each
to
other.
each other.
Okay, is it correct? No issue, correct. Then horizontal projection line. Horizontal line, how many are coming horizontal? Just check.
3.
3 will come. Only 3, or one is from along XY line?
Yes, sir.
One is along XY line. Okay, so a little complicated now. Are you observing screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to locate point. So let us locate the point of base. So A dash. Where will be the point A dash? Is it on XY line? Very
Yes, sir.
carefully. It will be on XY line. Okay. Next. B dash. Point B dash. So it will be somewhere here. B dash. Then C dash. On same line. Have you located A dash, B dash, C dash? Where your point A dash is remaining? Is it remaining on XY?
XY.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
It should remain on XY, because that is our condition. This prism is resting on corner. That's why. So A dash, B dash, C dash. Just locate, don't join. Just locate, don't join. Similarly, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. We have to locate. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. So let us locate first 1 dash. Rightmost line. Here there will be 1 dash. 1 dash. 2 dash. Second line. 2 dash and 3 dash on same line, same horizontal line. I will 3 dash. Okay. Have you look at it? A dash, B dash, C dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now only we have to join. Only we have to join, nothing else. Are you getting what we have to do?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
while joining now, what care we have to take? Which will be dark and which will be dotted? Which will be dark and which will be dotted? That care we have to take. So what is our general thumb rule is saying? So for this, observer is observing from this arrow I have drawn here somewhere. You might be observing. Okay. So that is our visualization direction for this view. We can say something like this arrow. Are you observing arrow?
Yes, sir.
From the bottom, I have drawn one arrow. That is visualization direction. Now observer is at this stage. He is observing the view which we have rotated. So while joining now, for this observer, which point, similar logic we have to apply now. Which point is most away from the observer for this stage? या स्टेज साठी सगळ्यात लांबचा
B.
पॉइंट कुठला आहे?
B, sir.
B.
B.
Point
B.
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 B. From that point, whatever edges will pass, that we have to draw as dotted.
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 How many edges will pass from point B?
3.
See, which are
B to C. B.
B, C, B, A, and B2.
B3.
B's.
there? Which will be there? Are you observing the front view? So which line we have drawn dotted here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please note down this. So this was our solution, final solution. So please note down this. Have you noted down or taken
Yes.
screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Try
sir.
to read this. Next time we will see next problem. Shall we stop?
Yes.
We will stop. Okay. Thank you.